Hi guys, this is a bonus episode of our adventures in the woods. This time we have Mommy and Daddy here instead of just me and Mommy. So we are gonna have some fun. First of all, look at all of these doggies. You see that? They're like looking at us. It's pretty creepy, isn't it? And they're everywhere.
Are you sure you're getting it on camera? You want to flip the camera?
This place is creepy. Anyways, I'm not that prepared for what's up ahead. This big thing. There's people up there at the top of that place.
Let's wait for them to get down then.
What?
We'll mash it. Let's wait for them to get down before we walk up with the camera.
Why? Bye guys. See you in the next one. Hi guys. See these dogs? They are everywhere. Like everywhere. Everywhere around me there's these big weird dog things.
Fu Dogs.
They're who dogs?
Fu Dogs.
Fu dogs. Fu dogs. There's Fu dogs everywhere and it's kind of creeping me out. Anyways, bye. Hi guys, this is part 2 of the bonus of our adventures in the park. We have this sketchy looking staircase and we're going in. It's shaking, guys. The staircase, it's literally shaking. And there's like carvings in the wood. This is creepy. I'm almost to the top. There's a few more steps and we'll be there, guys. As you can already tell, I'm here alone. Mom and Dad are at the bottom and I am at the top. Look at this. And we were down there with the Fu Dogs. Down there. With all of those crazy Fu Dogs. This is crazy. It's shaking. I don't like this. Oh, Daddy's coming in here to join us. Say hi.
Hi. How are you?
Mom's calling me. And by the way, I'm filming this on her phone. So, I just want to let you guys know that we're going back down faster than we were going before. I almost tripped and fell, by the way. I would have been in big trouble. Probably would have had a broken arm from how high I was up there when I tripped. Anyways, we're back down. Hey.
As soon as my head popped up, he was already coming down.
What? Okay. Bye, guys.